Tired of accidentally messing up your precious Excel data? Let's lock down specific cells in your Excel sheet while keeping others editable in just a few easy steps. First, by default, every cell in Excel is locked, but the lock only activates when you protect the sheet, so we need to unlock all the cells that we want the user to be able to edit. Select all the cells you want to keep editable. You can click and drag, or use the shortcut Ctrl A to select the entire sheet and deselect specific cells later. Right-click on your selection and choose Format Cells in the Format Cells window. Go to the Protection tab and uncheck the locked box. This unlocks the selected cells. Click OK. Now, go to the Review tab on the Excel ribbon. Click on Protect Sheet. A Protect Sheet window will appear here. You can add a password to prevent others from unprotecting the sheet. Choose what actions you want users to be able to do with the locked and unlocked cells, like selecting them or formatting. Enter a password if desired. Remember, if you lose this password, you cannot unlock the sheet. Then, ensure Select Locked Cells and Select Unlocked Cells are checked, then click OK. If you added a password, you'll be prompted to confirm it now. The cells you unlocked are editable, while the rest are locked and protected from accidental changes. If you try to edit a locked cell, a warning message will appear. Congrats, you've successfully locked cells in Excel.